In Mexico, we have this problem. We cannot say we are racist, but in the society are clasista, hierarchy. The society don't accept you if you are indigenous. And I want to show the people my ancestor story, that I'm proud of my roots. The people think that the indigenous, we don't know nothing about money, or we don't know about the valor of the work. But right now I show the people in the town, hey man, how much time you made for this? No, 4 hours. I say, okay, 4 hours you need to ask for this money, but Claudia, no, the people have the money for pay me. I say, okay, but these people go in Walmart or go in Liverpool. Why the people don't ask these marcas for discount? Why the indigenous? I learned you need to put your valor, because the society never give you this. We forget the principal thing, the indigenous people. The generation don't want to continue with their languages or with the story or with the recipes, because we feel embraced. The ancestors teach that the food is the blessing of the God, and we forget this beautiful process. For example, if you come in Mexico, you say, oh, I want tacos al pastor or quesadillas. But the tacos al pastor and the quesadillas and the tortilla has a process, and it's a big process. When you receive something for the earth, you need to say the Mother Earth, thank you for this. Can you give me the opportunity for eat this? After you offer the earth different things, flowers, fruit, for say thank you. We need to respect the life. The most important thing in the indigenous heredity is service. The service is give the love. My ancestor teach me that you have gift in your hands, because normally we prepare all the things for the hands. We don't use cuchara, spoon. We use the hands for make for your flavor, your happiness. When you prepare food, you need to feel love inside of yourself, because if you don't prepare your food with love, it's poison that you give all the people. If you send flowers, you receive flowers. If you send shit, you receive shit one day. And my grandpa taught me this. If you want shit all your life, send. If you want flowers, maybe you don't receive the flowers, but your generation, yes. And it's true. And I feel proud, because all these recipes my mom taught me, and she obtained this wisdom for her father, her grandmom, her mom, and the other generation, because my mom all the time played with me in the kitchen and teach me this. And right now I don't want that my kids forget, because if forget, maybe our wisdom is to die. And I don't want that I die, because it's the most important thing to continue